Hi there. Welcome to Easy English with Alicia. And today we are learning about Halloween. 10 fun words to help you this Halloween season. Maybe you're living in the United States, visiting, or just interested in this unique holiday. So let's go ahead and get started by learning some new words. We're going to be learning the meaning. I'm going to give you an example sentence, and then at the end, we're going to do a quiz. So let's begin. First word, pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. A big, round, orange vegetable. We carve a pumpkin for Halloween. Check out this pumpkin. Next word, dress up, dress up, dress up. This is a phrasal verb, which means to wear special or different clothes for fun. We dress up as superheroes for Halloween. Number 3, costume, costume, costume. Clothes we wear to look like something else. I wear a cat costume on Halloween. Costume. Number 4, ghost, ghost, ghost. A spirit or soul of a dead person. The ghost says, boo. Ghost. Number 5, witch, witch, witch. A woman with magic powers. The witch rides on a broom at night. Witch. Number 6, spider, spider, spider. A small animal with 8 legs. The spider makes a web. Spider. Next one, skeleton, skeleton, skeleton. I have a skeleton. The bones of a body. The skeleton is dancing at the party. Skeleton. Number 8, trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. A Halloween activity where children go to houses and ask for candy. We say trick or treat and get candy from our neighbors. Number 9, candy, candy, candy. Sweet food, also called sweets, like chocolate or lollipops. Children get candy on Halloween night. Candy. Number 10, scary, scary, scary. Meaning something that makes you afraid. That movie was really scary. Scary. And there are your top 10 vocabulary words for this Halloween season. Great job. Now let's test what you learned with this short quiz.
Number 1. We get sweet treats on Halloween. A. Spider. B. Candy. C. Witch. Number 2. This person uses magic and flies on a broom. A. Ghost. B. Witch. C. Skeleton. Number 3. We wear special clothes for fun or parties. A. Dress up. B. Pumpkin. C. Spider. Number 4. Children say this to get candy from neighbors. A. Halloween. B. Trick or treat. C. Candy. Number 5. This orange vegetable is used for decoration. A. Skeleton. B. Pumpkin. C. Ghost. Thank you so much for watching this video and participating. Don't forget, practice makes progress. And I'll see you in the next video.